can't get chocolate milk. So, yeah.
Let's get into it.
Yep, I'll see you once we actually get in because it's a bumpy little road.
Yeah.
So, bye. He is adorable. I don't think he likes me. Do you like me? Do you like me? Look how cute he is. I think there is supposed to be something in there, but there's not. Oh. Look. This is so cute.
I wish we could go in there.
No.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh.
Guys, yeah, that has to be some weird. Hey, can I pet you? Got teeth. Hey. Hi, babies. Get a video. I'm not food. Ah. There's some over here. He's jealous. Hey, you want some pets? You want some pets? Yeah? You're like a little doggy. I want to be too. Look, there's a cow.
Whoa.
Wait, cows give milk, right?
Huh?
Cows give milk.
Yeah.
Don't touch
Don't touch the pit.
Don't think.
Peanut butter's good. It's got nothing in it but peanuts.
These were made from cow's milk. So basically, they're like pure milk in it with cow. Like cow's milk.
I got a blueberry flavor.
I got a strawberry flavor. Thanks for watching. Oh, look, there's a cow coming towards us. That's cute.
Oh, there's ants.